Hey, it's me, Daniel, and here's another Hot Wheels track. This is awesome Hot Wheels track number 2. For this, you need a motor, a loop, nine tracks, or if you have long ones, it's okay. You can make it a little bit lesser. 2 U curves and some stuff. Okay. First, you need a stable platform that's out of the ground. So you will, besides needing a booster, you will also need a gravity booster, and they work together to make it more powerful. Then you put the tracks, the loop, a track, and a curve. And you need to put the curve over something else that's just 1 inch lower than the platform. Then you need to put 2 other tracks and make them go into something that's 3 inches lower than the other thing with the curve. Then you put another curve, and it should be on the ground. Then you put a little track. Then you put a launcher, and it has to be like a little hillside. That way, it's awesome at the end too. And there's the hillside, so you need some stuff there. And here's a little demo. Leonardo, come on, show them. Put it on. Put the car on. Here's a tiny demo. Okay. If the car doesn't get all the way down, then it may be that it needs a little bit more gravity. You'll need to make the have a platform that's a little bit higher, and then put the things just the same, and the gravity should pull it better. That's all for awesome Hot Wheels track number 2.